Hiya! Let me tell you how bebbing works. You'll learn the languages in fully equipped live classrooms. Teachers at bebbing are certified, experienced native speakers for each language. Once your placement is done, you'll find yourself in a multinational class. You'll not only have the chance to interact with people from different cultures and use the language you learn, but also an opportunity to make friends all around the world. You can start following other bebbers and check what they share on their beb profile. Bebbers can send messages to each other and practice the language they learn. You can reach various content in bebbing's video library. Watching and listening always help you with the incidental vocabulary acquisition, and of course, improve your listening and understanding as well. A private coach will be responsible for your course planning and future plans regarding language learning. Motivation and sustainability are crucial in order to reach the desired level. No more missing lessons. You'll be able to watch each lesson repeatedly on bebReplay. It will be useful either for the subjects you could not understand or the lessons you could not attend. You can reach bebReplay even after you finish your weeks or classes. And collect bebPoints. This is the most fun part of bebbing. You can earn bebPoints by getting badges for attendance, involving speaking, homework, watching, listening, reading, etc. However, you can also earn more bebPoints with the referral program. You will have a unique referral code. Your friends, family, and your entire network can use your referral code to enroll. You will get an international certificate in line with the Common European Framework. Now, try it for free. Let's beb together!